In today's video, I am going to teach you how to add Klaviyo pop-up to Shopify. To begin, sign into your Klaviyo account and make sure you are in the main dashboard. What we are doing here is taking a pop-up you have already designed, publishing it, and then enabling it so Klaviyo knows it should show on your Shopify store. If your pop-up is still a draft, it will not appear on your website, even if the design looks finished in the editor. First, go to the Sign Up Forms section. This is where Klaviyo manages all on-site forms, including pop-ups. Once you are there, open your pop-up drafts. Look for the form you want to use on your Shopify store, and open it so you can access the editor. Take a moment to confirm it is the correct version, especially if you have multiple drafts that look similar. It is much easier to double-check now than to publish the wrong form and have to undo it later. When the form editor opens, find and click Publish. Publishing is the step that turns your draft into a live version that can be activated on a site. If you have recently made changes, publishing also makes sure those updates are included. After you publish, a confirmation message will appear that says the form was published successfully. In that modal, click Enable. Enabling is important because a form can be published but still disabled, which means it will stay off and will not display to visitors. Next, you will be prompted to connect the form to your website platform. Choose the option that says Integrate with your website platform. Then open the drop-down and select Shopify. This tells Klaviyo where the form should be used, and it helps route the setup correctly for a Shopify storefront. Once Shopify is selected, your pop-up is now set to be used with your Shopify store. At this point, it is a good idea to keep the editor open for a moment to confirm there are no warning messages and that the form status shows as enabled. And that covers everything you need to know.